How did I get into medical device? This is such a crack up to me. I was in my junior year of college, and again, another one of my sniper colleagues who had gotten out prior to me had gotten hired at Stryker down in San Diego. He would tell me what they would be doing. They'd be working in scrubs, racing from case to case, supporting trauma, supporting tumor removals, and plastic surgeons, neurosurgeons, ENT. Very exciting stuff. I didn't really understand how they got paid, why, or anything about it. I'd only heard of pharmaceutical sales, which is a much more generic, pill sale. So my former colleague said, Dustin, we'd like you on this team. And it was also the leader of the team was another sniper that I hadn't worked with, but my counterpart had. So here we are selling in the biggest government selling space in the country, which is San Diego. They can almost have their own GDP for government spending. On a big spend map, it's the brightest along, we've got Florida, Texas, and Southern California are the biggest places for government sales. So I ended up being in one of those great places to learn quite a bit. But in my recruiting of doing this, they had me down. And I was able to go to some cases, support some, just kind of sit in the back of the OR and the SPD restocking sets for a few days with, again, one of my brothers, one of my friends, former sniper. So I said, man, I need to do this. And then when I realized, the industry and how lucrative it could be for hard work, and it was just amazing to me. I thought it was a pyramid scheme. It ended up not being a pyramid scheme, and Stryker ended up hiring me basically about a week before I graduated. And that's another really interesting story on how I actually got a face-to-face interview, because I didn't have any big corporate sales experience, and generally that's what Stryker goes after.